how to make a Riot account, sign up Riot Games account. If you want to make or sign up for a Riot Games account, all you have to do is simply first of all open up your browser and go to riotgames.com. From here, from the top right hand side, you'll find a 3 lines option. Go to that and simply navigate to the sign in option here. Once you're here under sign in, if you had a username and a password, you'd be able to log in. But since we are trying to create a new account, look at the bottom and you'll find this option here that says create account. So simply go to the create account button. Once you go to create account option, before you come and do this, you can actually create an account with your Facebook, Google, Apple, Xbox or PlayStation ID, whatever is actually comfortable for you. But what you can do is you can choose to use an independent email address, hit the arrow button and make sure to also go ahead and then choose your birth date, month as well as the year. Then just hit the arrow icon again. Just choose a username that you would like to use. I'm just choosing a random one only for the video. Final step would be for you to enter your password and retype that password and hit the arrow button. Then after that, lastly, it will send a verification code to an email that you provided. You simply have to enter the verification code and your Riot Games will get successfully created. This way you can make a Riot Games account or sign up for Riot Games. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.